This is the iPhone 5S battery replacement guide brought to you by Repairs Universe. To perform this repair, we'll be using a safe open pry tool, a pentalobe screwdriver, small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a suction cup. Make sure the device is powered off before inserting a SIM ejection tool or a small paper clip. On the bottom of the device, there are two pentalobe screws. Next up, place a small suction cup near the bottom left-hand corner of the device. Grab the phone and suction cup and firmly pull apart. This action will create a small gap that you can easily slip a pry tool into. With Apple's iPhone 5S, there is a small flex cable that connects the home button assembly to the back of the screen. Be careful not to tear it when inserting a pry tool or spudger. With the pointing end of the spudger, you can now release the flex cable. However, a small metal clip covers the single pop connector. It is not too difficult to release, but be careful not to lose it as you pry it off. In our case, as we pried the cover off, the flex cable released. Slowly lift the screen assembly as not to tear the flex cables attached to the screen. This will expose a small metal plate that is held in place with 4 small Phillips screws. The small Phillips screws are all different sizes. Be sure to keep them in order. You don't want to use the wrong screw during reassembly. Now we can remove the small metal plate. The touchscreen and LCD cables are next in line to be released. Using a spudger, simply lift up on the 3 pop connectors. The battery is now being held in place with a metal bracket and 2 small Phillips screws. Using a spudger, lift up on the battery's single pop connector. The battery is held in place with 2 strips of strong adhesive. Take your time and work your spudger around the battery. Be careful not to bend or puncture the battery as you proceed. There are no flex cables underneath, so you don't have to worry about damaging anything. Once the adhesive is released, you can safely remove the battery. If you found this video useful, please like us below. Be sure to check out our Facebook page and Twitter feed for new guides on the latest phones. For more repair guides, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.